Hello children and welcome to yet another chapter, Basva's Farm. I am Kavita Kharge from Kendra Vidyalaya number 1, Air Force Station, Pune. And what are we going to learn here? We are going to do the map work and we are going to see the onion farming. Here's the map of India. You can see the outline map of India. And now we are going to mark Karnataka on this. This shaded part is Karnataka. As Basva in our story lives here in Karnataka. Now we are going to see these three instruments which are used by Basava's father during onion farming. The first one, you can see the picture here children, and here this is courage, named as courage. This is used for sowing the seeds in the soil. So if you see this picture carefully, you can see here this part. Here this part is used to put the seeds, and while moving it further, the seeds are spread on the ground. The next one you can see in this picture is khunti. This is named as khunti. जो हमारे पास फावड़ा होता है ये लगभग वैसा ही है, and it is used for softening the soil or digging the soil. And the third one here is known as ilige. Ilige is used for cutting. Most of us must have seen this used in the kitchens also here in Maharashtra. So these three are the instruments or the tools used by Basava's father to in the fields. Now here you see there are some people working in the fields. They are actually readying the farm. You can see some people here. They are softening the soil. They are digging the soil and softening it and actually preparing the field for the cultivation. Now what do they do is they actually dig the soil, and the soil which is above on the ground is put below, and the soil which is down below is brought upwards. यानी कि मिट्टी को ऊपर नीचे किया जाता है ताकि जो मिट्टी अपनी उपजाऊ क्षमता उसकी कम हो गई है उसको नीचे डाला जाता है और नीचे वाली मिट्टी जिसकी उपजाऊ क्षमता अच्छी है उसे ऊपर लाया जाता है. Now here in this picture you can see the black particles here. These are the onion seeds. Here you can see the onion seeds. Actually इसको हिंदी में कलौंजी कहा जाता है और बहुत सारे घरों में किचन में इसका यूज होता है. इसके अलावा ये देखिए इन्हीं ऑनियन सीड्स को, these onion seeds are here with the help of courage. They are sprinkling the seeds or they are sowing the seeds in the land. And here you can see after say 20 days the first sprout comes out, and slowly it starts growing into a small plant. Here you can see after the sprout the onions have started growing. Now these are the onion saplings, that is the small onion plants, and at times farmers don't sow the seeds, they bring the saplings and they plant it in their soil. And here you can see fully grown onion plants. आपने देखा होगा बच्चों कि इस तरह के ये जो plants हैं इनको भी हम we are using this also as in our cooking. मम्मी इसकी सब्जी भी बनाती होंगी and we use it in most of the salads. बहुत सारे चाइनीज डिशेस में भी इसको जो है डाला जाता है. इसको कच्चा भी खाया जा सकता है. And the next step is weeding. Weeding is removing the unwanted plants. Why should weeds be removed from the field? Weeds are the unwanted plants which grow along with the crops in the field. The weeds take up all the water and minerals meant for the crop. The actual crop does not get enough water and minerals to grow, so weeds must be removed from the fields, and that is why weeding is a very important. And here is onion harvest, that is after the above crop or the plant starts drying up, it starts becoming yellow in color. The farmer comes to know that the onions down below are just ready to be taken out from the ground. So here you can see the onions have been taken out from the ground. And why should the onions be taken out at the right time? What will happen? Well, if the onions are not taken out or not harvested at the correct time, if they are delayed, they will rot inside the ground itself. That is, वो सड़ जाएंगे ground के अंदर ही. And इतने दिनों का जो hard work है, वो सब waste हो जाएगा. And that is why onions must be taken out at the right time. And this is illigay. This you can see in the picture, the instrument used here or the tool used here to separate the onion from the plant is known as illigay. It is used to cut the leaves from the top of the onions. Most of you must have seen this tool at your home also. And finally, the onions, after separating from the plants, are ready to be taken to the market.